Hi, my good boys and girls. Here with you is Teacher Regan. Once again, I want to welcome you to Easy Elimu, where all your concerns in mathematics and any other learning area are simplified. So today, in our session today, we are going to finalize on combined operations and of course on whole numbers. And today we are going to discuss how to solve combined operations with all the 4 operation signs. We can have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in a single problem. So in our previous sessions, we have been discussing 2 in a single question, 3, or a maximum of 3. But today we are going to discuss a maximum of 4 operation signs in a single problem. So just straight away, let us look at an example. Here, now we are going to apply almost all the operation signs to solve a problem. So we have an example. You can be given a question like this: without using a calculator, solve A. Can be given a question like 138 divided by 13 times 2 plus 27. 138 divided by 13. 138 divided by 13 times 2, then you add plus 27. So here we are using BODMAS. So we do not have brackets, we don't have off, but we have division. So our application of BODMAS begins from this point. So we are going to rewrite our question and group using brackets in the order in which our operations are supposed to be carried out. So first of all, we shall have 138 divided by 13. So that's the first thing that we are going to do, because according to the BODMAS, division comes first. So here we are, 138 divided by 13. Using long division, we have 138 divided by 13. Is it 138 or 300? Sorry, this is 338. Yeah, because if we have numbers that are not completely divisible by 13, then we might have issues. So here we have 338. So this is our dividend, this is our divisor. Whatever we shall get is our quotient. So once again, let us pair from the left-hand side. So we have a 2-digit number, which is much easier to work with. So 13 divides 33 how many times? 13 divides 33 how many times? Yes, Irene? 3 times. Not really. It's not 3 times because 13 by 3 is 39, and that already exceeds our dividend. So it is 2 times, a maximum of 2 times, which gives us 26. So if you subtract, what are you getting? 33 take away 6, you'll have 7. So since 7 is a smaller dividend, we drop the remaining digit to make it 78. So 13 divides 78 how many times? Yes, Paul? 13 divides 78 how many times? 6 times, correct. So 13 into 78 is 6 times, because 13 by 6, this is 18, carry 1, 7. So giving us 78. The remainder is 0. So from the first bracket, we have our quotient as 26. So we rewrite our question now with the quotient here. It is now 26 times 2 plus 27. 26 is the quotient from this operation. So again, the next thing that follows is multiplication. So we multiply that. So we shall have 26 by 2, that is 1252, such that we have 52 plus 27. So if you take 52, add 27, get 9, 7. So our answer is 79. As you can see, I have indicated each and every step that I have gone through in order to get my answer. Do not assume anything that you have to do in order to get the answer. Let it be clearly shown in your working, because those are the things that will earn you marks. Another example, again without using a calculator, allow me to write it down here. Part B, 414 divided by 18 times 11 minus 174. 414 divided by 18 times 11 minus 174. So solution, apply BODMAS. Apply BODMAS. So we are going to apply BODMAS once again. And we are not using a calculator. So we shall pick the first operation to be performed according to BODMAS, and that is 414 divided by 18. So here we shall have our dividend is 414 and our divisor is 18. So we shall pair from the left hand side to make our work easier. So let's consider 41. 41. So 14 goes into 41 how many times? Yes, Christine? 2 times, correct? So it goes there 2 times, which gives us 36. If we subtract, we have 5. Then we drop the remaining digit, which is 4, to make it 54. 18 goes into 54 how many times? Yes? Yes, Jeremy? 3 times, correct. That is 3 times, which gives us 54. Someone is doubting. Let us multiply 18 times 3 and see. 18 by 3, that is 24, carry 2. 3 by 1 is 3 plus 2, 54. So we are correct. So from the first bracket, we have a quotient. This is our quotient of 23. So we rearrange our question. So we have 23 times 11 subtract 174. So according to BODMAS, multiplication follows. We are done with division. So we bracket up again. So we have 23 times 11. Whenever you want to multiply a 2-digit number by 11, there's a simpler way you can do it in order to save your time. First of all, try and add the 2-digit number. If the sum is less than 10, then you can go ahead and use this method. Space up the 2-digit number. For example, in this case, we are multiplying 23 by 11. So you space up the 2-digit number. And before spacing up, I've already confirmed that if I add 2 plus 3, I am getting 5. And since 5 is less than 10, I can continue and use the method that saves time. So it is therefore 2, I'll space up, then add them. Then the sum is written in between. Then you get 253. We can authenticate that. We can confirm that, whether the teacher is right. If I am wrong, then we do the normal way. So it is 23 by 11. 1 by 3, 3. 1 by 2, 2. 1 by 3, 3. 1 by 2, 2. So here we have 3, 5, 2. So is the teacher right? Yeah, we are right. So whenever you want to multiply a 2-digit number by 11, first of all, confirm whether the sum of the 2-digit number is less than 10. If it is less than 10, space up the 2-digit numbers, then add them, then write the sum in between. Then that will be the product of that number by 11. So we are done with that. So we have 253 minus 174. So that is 253 take away 174. So that is 13 take away 4. 13 take away 4, that is 9. Here we had a remainder of 4. Borrow 1, make it 14, take away 7, that is 7. Here we had 1, 1 take away 1 is 0. So our answer is 79. Any question up to that point? Yes, Paul? Oh, you want me to confirm more other multiplication of two-digit numbers by 11? All right, let us check. Assuming someone has given you a number like 17 times 11, 15 times 11, 36 times 11. And I have said, first of all, for you to be able to use the formula I've just discussed here, add the two-digit number. If the sum that you are getting is less than 10, then you can go ahead and space them, 1 and 7. Then you add them. 1 plus 7, you get 8. Is that true? Confirm. 7 times 11. That is 7, that is 1, 7, 1, 0, 7, 8, 1. So that is true. So here, 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is less than 10. So I can space it. Then I add them. 1 plus 5, I'll get 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is less than 10. So I can space my number. This plus this is 9. That is 396. So the essence of discussing this is to enable you work fast and save more time whenever you are working with such, and you have to multiply a number by 11 in order to get your answer. So otherwise, that is the end of our session today concerning combined operations. So if you do not have any other further question, allow me to give you maybe two questions. Two questions for your personal revision. And of course, look for more questions to do to enable you conceptualize this better. So you have 109 minus 35 bracket times 14 divided by 2. Roman 2, you can have a question like 180 times 42 divided by 36 plus 49. So kindly do those questions and many more questions that you can come across to help you perfect your skills in this particular area. Otherwise, have a nice time and see you next time.